Okay, how to create reels and shorts with ChatGPT and AI talking actors, right? You've taken the first step towards transforming your digital marketing strategy. You definitely have, right? And I'm going to show you why. Because reels are so hot right now, reels and shorts, right? They're producing results, crazy results for people. Okay, benefits of AI generated videos. It saves you money and it saves you time, basically. That's it, guys. So you don't have to spend money on actors or you doing it yourself or any of those things, right? Or even equipment. You save money doing this. Two massive benefits, right? Using this to create reels for you. What will you learn in this course? Very simple. How to use AI tools to create reels and shorts. That's it. That's basically what you're going to learn, right? Very exciting. You got to check out this course. Okay, what AI tools do you need? ChatGPT, text to speech, that's to create voiceovers. This one here, right? And the next one is text to video. That's it, guys. These are the three tools. I'll show you where to get the tools and how to use them. Are you ready? Let's delve into this course and get you results. All right, so I asked Bing Chat, which uses ChatGPT 4, right? And it gathers information in real time from the internet, okay? Other than ChatGPT, which is limited up to 2021, right? In terms of the information that it has, the data. So I asked it, what are the benefits of using Reels or YouTube Shorts for businesses, right? It says that they can help you reach more people and attract new customers, as Reels and YouTube Shorts are popular among younger generations, not just younger generations, I would say all generations, right? And especially with the competition between YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook, right? They're really promoting Reels right now, so that's another massive benefit, right, for you. They can increase your brand awareness and loyalty. That's Reels, right? So you can grow your brand. You can build an audience, which is very important for your business, right? And in record time these days with Reels, right? They can improve your SEO and social media performance. Reels and YouTube Shorts can boost your organic reach, right? Reels are just hot right now, okay? They're hot. Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok videos, right? But added to that, I also asked, what are the benefits of using AI tools to create Reels and YouTube short videos, right? And it said that they can generate ideas and scripts for your videos based on your keyword topics, and it does it so quickly, guys, as you'll see in this video, right? They can edit and crop your videos to fit the vertical format exactly, right? With these AI tools, right? The video format and add transition filters, stickers, and text. They can create original music and sound effects for your videos or sync them with existing text. As I will show you right in this example, maybe I wouldn't go that deep into the music, but you'll see in the course how I do that, right? They can optimize your captions, hashtags, and titles for SEO, social media algorithms, and that's exactly what ChatGPT can do. In fact, Bing Chat can do that as well, right? But I want to show you what are some of the benefits as given by Bing Chat, which uses ChatGPT 4, which is more powerful than ChatGPT itself, right? So there you have it, guys. These are the benefits of Reels and the benefits of using AI to create these Reels, Shorts, and TikTok videos, right? Awesome. So I will see you then in an upcoming video. All right, so this is Jessica, right? So she's an AI-generated talking actor, right? Or otherwise known as an avatar. Look how real that picture looks, okay? It is so real. I'm going to show you how you can create something similar to this, right? And I created this video for an intro to one of my courses. But look how real it looks. It looks so real. Well, this is not a real, but she looks real, right? Just look at that and listen to her speak.
I'm the product of advanced AI technology. Exciting, right? Today, I want to introduce you to an incredible.
So this is what I'm going to show you how to do, how to create, and so get ready for this course. I just want to show you an example of what type of videos you're going to learn how to create in this course. Okay. See you in the next video. All right. So what are the tools that we're going to use for this course, right? Mostly we're going to be using obviously ChatGPT, right? ChatGPT. We'll be using ChatGPT, and I'll show you how to set it up. So don't worry about that. ChatGPT. The other tool is DIDAI, right? I don't know how you pronounce that. I'll show you how to set that up, how to access it. It's very simple. You just click on the link, right? You search DID. Okay, to get DID, you just search, Google search, and there it is, DID, right? Very easy, and you click the link. The other tool we'll be using is Hagen or Hagen. Again, same thing, Google search that, and then click the link, okay? And the last tool we'll be using is CapCut. So we're using CapCut. It'll be the last tool. It's free to download and free to install, right? You don't have to pay anything to use it. They do a premium version, but the free version is sufficient to do what needs to be done. So these are the tools we're going to be using to complete the course. So how to create a ChatGPT account, guys? It's actually very simple, right? So I think the simplest way is just do a Google search ChatGPT, and I think the main site will just pop up. See there? Right, so there we see ChatGPT, right? So ChatGPT, chat.openai.com. That's the main site, right? ChatGPT. It must look like this. That's a logo, everything, just to make sure that you're on the right site. I don't want to confuse anybody. So you can also search ChatGPT OpenAI, right? So, but ChatGPT, that's a main site. All right, so then we click on that. All right, and it looks like they've changed the site since the last time I've signed up, right? So it's very simple, guys. So ChatGPT, there they give you two options, log in or sign up. So you click on the sign up, right? Now I already have a ChatGPT account. So you just click on sign up and you go through everything, right? They tell you, note that the phone verification may be required for sign up. Your number will also only be used to verify your identity for security purposes. Okay? So you just go through everything. You give your email address, you know, whatever. Okay, continue. You can use also Google to create an account. You can use Microsoft and even Apple, right? Now, I'm not going to create an account because I already have one, right? So if I show you guys over there, there's my ChatGPT account. Okay. So this is what ChatGPT looks like. So once you create an account, you should appear on something like this, right? It should look like this. And there's also ChatGPT 4, but you have to pay for that. But I'm going to show you in upcoming videos how you can access ChatGPT 4 for free. All right, but so look forward to that. So I've been using ChatGPT for quite a while now, as you can see. All right, I have many chats here, right, that I've been using. And here they'll show you different things that you can do with it. You can just browse around and I'll explain to you like exactly how to use ChatGPT, right? What to do, what it's capable of, or rather how I've been using it, right? How I've been using it. So, but that's it. So go and do that. Go and create an account, and I'll see you in the next video. Very simple to create an account, guys. Very simple. All right. Now, the key to getting the most out of ChatGPT is to be specific. So this video is not going to be long. What I want to teach you in this video is basically how to be specific in what you do, right? So you need to tell ChatGPT exactly what you want, okay? Now remember, the aim of this course, right, as I take you through this course, is to help you to create, is to help you with social media marketing per se, right? To help you with social media marketing. So I'm gonna take you step by step the processes that you should then go through, right, to then get the best out of ChatGPT and optimize, okay? But what I want to show you in this video is how to is to be specific, right? For example, let's just say you're writing a post about, let's say I'm targeting Christian coaches, okay? I can say, write me a post targeting coaches, all right? All right, now as you can see here, ChatGPT created some content for me. Embrace your faith, unleash your potential with Christian life coaching, and it came up with some posts, right? Now, the reason I stopped it from generating is because I just wanted to show you. You see, I wasn't specific. I just said create, write me a post targeting Christian coaches, right? Now, in upcoming video, the video following this, I will show you then how to use ChatGPT to create a target audience. But what I wanted to show you here is like I said, create a post, and it just came up with any post, right? But to get better results, you need to be more specific. You can say, write me a post targeting Christian, right, life coaches who targeting Christian life coaches who want to uh, who right, let's say who work with women, who work with single mothers, okay? All right. Then even more specific, the post must be about how to how to start a business, right? as a single mother, right? How to start a business as a single mother, right? Oh, basically how to start a business as a single mother. Even more specific, make the post make the post about 2 sentences, and it must be for Facebook and Instagram. See, that's very specific. So the post was very, very specific. So you have to be very specific in in what you want ChatGPT to do for you. Okay, once that is done, so now it's creating it for me. All right, and there's a post. Took a few seconds, right? Like 2 seconds. Okay, so are you a Christian life coach with a heart for supporting single mothers on their entrepreneurial journey? Discover the power of faith and resilience as you guide these incredible women starting their businesses while navigating. All right, you see, there it is, right? So now it created me a post, and it created the hashtags, right? Now you can tell it, create me the post with the hashtags. Now I have trained ChatGPT to create hashtags for me, right? So you can tell it to also create hashtags, but in upcoming videos, I'll show you how to do that. Now I can even make this more specific, right? I can ask it to change the tone of this post, okay? So write, I'll say rewrite the post, right? Uh, as though an educated uh, woman who has a heart to help single single mothers who want to be life coaches, right? Want to be Christian life coaches, okay? So see, now I'm telling it that to speak, to write the thing, right? Okay, so rewrite the post, okay, with that tone, with somebody who's a mother who understands well, where other women are coming from, right? Let's see what it does. Right? Are you a compassionate, educated woman with a deep desire to empower single mothers who aspire to become Christian? Okay, so now it's targeting women who are educated, right? But I want it to be specific. So I'll tell it no. The post must have the tone of a woman who is educated, right? Who's educated. So the post must have the tone of a woman who's educated, right? And she is creating the the post for single mothers. As educated women who deeply understand the unique challenges faced with single mothers, I'm here to empower you with. Okay, anyway, it doesn't quite get it right, but the point I'm trying to make is like be as specific as you want to be. That's the point of this video. Be very specific as you how you want ChatGPT to create something for you, right? So the example I gave you was creating posts, but it can be with anything. It can be with writing a book. It can be with creating an email, right? Just be specific. Tell it exactly what you want, and you might have to tweak things here and there. Okay. Obviously, you can then you see this part here. You see that you can copy it, and then you can add this to a Google. So you can then copy this. All right, and then I can paste it on a Google Doc, and you can play around with it and edit it. Okay, I'm not going to do that in this video, it's just to show you. So you can play around with it and make it sound the way that you want it to sound, right? But as you can see, that ChatGPT has done a lot of the work. So, okay, so the point of this video is merely to show you how to be specific with ChatGPT, not just to make general um, like vague or general prompts, right? But be very specific in what you want it to do. Doesn't always get it right, as you can see, but I mean, for a free tool, this is amazing. This is amazing, guys. All right. How long will it take for you to come up with this kind of copy? So obviously you can tweak it and edit it to your liking. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a text, a script for the AI avatar that we're going to create, right, for our social media post. All right, so I already typed out the prompt and it generated the text for me, right? And there's the text, okay? So I just said write a 40-second description offering a free AI-powered email service provider. Mention the sum of the benefits, such it can send voice to text emails, video emails, and it has unlimited storage. For the CTA, they can click the link in the description to sign up. DM me or just text me, okay? Now, if you notice this thing, it created a hook. See, there's a hook or headline, body, and a call to action. So usually, posts should have that format, right? A headline, body, conclusion, even for your emails, right? So it's a headline, hook, whatever you want to call it, and call to action, okay? Always add a call to action. Well, I mean, if you're promoting something, always have a call to action, okay? All right. Now, you see, there's a text, okay? And we are going to, we're going to edit it, right? I'll show you how, I already showed you in other videos how to edit it, but I'll show you again. But it's something I need to show you quickly when you're creating scripts for these AI-powered avatars, right? As you can see, I use the same prompt, but I changed one word. Instead of saying description, I use the word script. And the previous one, I used the word description, and there's a reason for that, right? When I say script, write a 40-second script, this is what it creates. It creates an actual script, as you can see that, you know, like, see, there, it says create a script. I mean, it's creating a script. It shows you, show the service logo, screen face, which is amazing, So, I mean, if you're going to create a video maybe with you in it, or you're not going to use these AI-powered avatars, I mean, you can still use this. You can still use the AI-powered, the avatars, right? However, I mean, it's just more time consuming. It's up to you how you want to create the videos. I'm just showing you that you can, when you say script, this is a difference. So now you're gonna have to delete that. You're gonna just have to do more work, more editing using the script, right? Whereas the description, you just copy this and upload it into the software, which I'll show you in the next video. Okay, so there's a difference. So I would recommend you use the word description, and it will create something like this. However, we don't want the emojis, right? So we do that just so I'll show you again in case you forgot. Just click this icon, or you can just copy and paste this. Copy and paste it, or click this copy icon, right? So you do that, you go to your document, you paste it, all right, and you edit it. You see, I removed the emojis and I also spaced it out, you see, a little bit, so it can read it that way. It doesn't really matter. I just do it like that way so that the software can read it the way I spaced it out. But it doesn't matter, okay? Just by even if you just remove the emojis the way it is, right? That the software will still capture it and it will read it out exactly the way that it is, right? And I'm going to show you how powerful this software really is. The text to voice software, it is amazing how powerful it is. Okay, so anyway, there we go. So now we have our text for the voiceover, and in the next video I will then show you how to create that using the text to voiceover software. See you in the next video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create videos using this, using these actors, right? These are AI created actors, right? They're not real. They're called avatars, right? As you can see, it looks very real, right? But in fact, it's not real. It's an avatar. It's an actor that's created by the software, okay? So we're going to create videos similar to this. All right, I'm going to show you the tools that we are going to use for this, okay? We're going to use certain types of tools. All right, one of the tools is DIDAI, okay? DIDAI. There's the URL right there. But I'll come back to this, right? So I'll show you in sequence how we're going to use the tools. So first we're going to we will be using ChatGPT to create the script. I will show you that in upcoming videos. So ChatGPT will create a script for us, right? And what we'll do is we'll then copy that script and then go to another tool called 11 Labs, right? It's not the only one we'll use, 11 Labs, right? Very powerful. Now, the cool thing about 11 Labs is they give you 10,000 free characters, right? I don't know if they show it here. Oh, they don't show it here, right? But this is just to test it. So you can test it with 303 characters, right? But when you sign up, then they give you 10,000 free characters, which is amazing because this tool is powerful, guys. It's very powerful, okay? So we copy the script from ChatGPT, we then paste it here, and it creates the voiceover. And that voiceover, we then go to DID, okay, and we upload it, and it will create this, okay? It will create a talking avatar. I'll show you in an upcoming video, okay? We can also use Hagen, which is similar to DID, right? To create a talking avatar, okay? Again, you create a free account, they give you a certain, see, you get free credits with Hagen, right? I don't know if it's Hagen or Hagen, not sure. Okay, so they give you free credits, which is about 60 seconds worth, which is a lot. You can create a free video for 60 seconds, right? All right, using these talking avatars. And let's see if they have an example of the avatar. There they give you examples of some of the avatars, right? That you can then, yeah, there, you see? These are actors. These are actors. These are AI created actors, right? So whatever text you input, they will then talk for you. Okay, there they are. All right, look at that. There's so many. All right, Agent is amazing. Okay, but I think that DID gives you more credit. DID, they have their own credit. They have their own actors. Let me just show you DID. Let me see. Did they show you here on the landing page some of the actors? Uh, well, there they give you an idea, right? Some of the actors you see. So then what you need to do though is start. I'll start with DID. There it says start a free trial. You just click that and create an account. I'm not all going to show you. It's very simple. Just click this, follow the whatever they tell you to do, create an account. The same for 11 Labs. Sign up for free, and the same for Hagen, right? And you get those free credits. So I recommend now I would in the resource section, right? In the resource section, I will put it below this video, right? Depending on what platform you use, but for in most of the platforms that I post this, you'll be able to then get that resource section, right? Which you can just download and get the links for this. So I have the links for all of these. Okay, you can just click on them and then create that account. Okay, and guys, these are the tools we're going to use. Very simple. You'll just see how simple this is. All right, simple but not necessarily easy as people think it is, but it's fairly simple. Okay, all right. See you in the next video. In the previous video, we created a voiceover, right? Remember, here's the voiceover. We downloaded it. There was 32 seconds, right? With 11 Labs, very powerful tool, right? Right now, I think it's the best in the industry for creating AI-powered or AI-generated voiceovers, right? All right, now let me just quickly find that voiceover. So there is the voiceover, right? Now we're going to use this and we're going to create a talking avatar, right? You'll see how powerful that is. I just want to rename this so I know what it is. Okay, we just want to rename it. And call it the AI powered email provider. Okay, so that's the name of the voice. Oh, all right. So we're gonna take. So now we're gonna go to depending on which one you use, right? I will show you how to use both of them, but we're going to start with DID, okay? So we're going to go to DID, all right? And I'm going to click on create. Okay, and we're going to choose one of these avatars, right? Now, now depending on the plan, okay? So you might not be able to use some of these because if you're on a free plan. But if you pay for it, see like these, I think you can use and you can choose the one that you like, okay? Make sure that male with male and female with female, otherwise it's gonna be weird, right? So you can choose this one. I can choose this guy, all right? But I think they won't allow me to use, they've changed it since then. All right, maybe if I want to use this guy, let's see. You see, you have to upgrade to use that, okay? But some of them are free. Like maybe this one. Let's just say I use this one. All right. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one, and then I just want to show you something. So maybe that. Okay, so you can just choose. So some of them are free and some of them are not free. Okay. It seems this one's free. Oh, it's not free. Okay. So you can use one of these to create your talking avatar. Okay. It's actually very simple. So I want to show you how to use the actors from this thing. Another thing that you can do is also I can go to then, if you guys remember GenCraft. Okay, now I'm just gonna confuse you guys. Let me not confuse. All right, so I'm gonna choose this guy. Okay, so that's the one we're choosing. And then what I'm gonna do is by audio, click audio. Okay, then we click on upload your own voice. Remember, guys, I'm showing you how I do it. Okay, how I do it. So I click on that. All right, so the voice audio, the voice has been uploaded, right? Then we click on generate video. Okay, it's that simple. So then just click generate. And it's finished. Let's take a look. And you can also title it, okay? You can give it a title. I'll just call it.
Introducing the future of email services. Tired of mundane emails? Experience the next level of communication with our free AI-powered email service provider.
Guys, look at
Imagine
that.
sending voice-to-text emails
Look how,
effortlessly, expressing yourself with video.
look how realistic that is, right? How it syncs, how the image syncs with the voiceover, right? That's how powerful the software is. And I think in the upcoming video, I want to talk about some of the benefits, but maybe I'll do it now. So you can use this for an ad. You can use this for a social media post. You can use it for a Facebook ad, for an Instagram ad, right? Just look how powerful and realistic that is. You can use this for an explainer video. You can use the software for explainer videos. I think in an upcoming video, we'll look at some of the benefits of maybe I'll make a video where I'll show you the benefits of using this tool, right? And how many ways you can use it, and how much money you save, right? But there it is. It's done. It's done. That's the thing. Let's look at it. Look at it.
video emails, and enjoying unlimited storage for all your important messages.
Amazing. So I'm going to download this. And while it's downloading, so in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can edit this with a free tool called CapCut. Okay, CapCut. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video. All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how then to edit the video that you created with AI. AI created this video. Remember, let me just show you quickly.
Ready to revel.
See, we created a voiceover. I showed you how to do that, right? And then we connected the voiceover with this talking and this actor, basically a talking avatar, what it's called, right? This actor, and we downloaded, right? So what we're going to do with that video now is we are going to edit it with TikTok, and you can do different things with it. Okay, I'll show you how to do that quickly. Not with TikTok, sorry, with the free video editing software, which is simply one of the best that I use, and I think in the market it's called CapCut. Maybe you're already using it. It's very simple to use. All right, now to get CapCut for your computer, you can do this with your phone as well, by the way. You just search CapCut for PC, computer, right? And then we click. And then you just follow the steps, right? Download for Windows. I'm not sure if it's one for Apple. So if you're using an Apple computer, I don't see it. You can just search. I use a PC. So if you're using an Apple, I'm not sure what to do, guys. I use a PC, okay? So if you're using a PC, you can just download it for Windows. You can search if they have it for Apple. Download it, and you just follow the steps, guys, and it will be downloaded onto your computer, okay? Now, I already have CapCut. There's CapCut, okay, guys? I already have it, right? And so once you've done that, so you download, you click on the CapCut icon. It will take you to a place where it says new project, right? All right, so there it's a blank canvas. We click on import. I'm not going to do a full tutorial on how to use CapCut. You can maybe go onto YouTube or Udemy for a free course. Maybe Udemy has a free course or YouTube, okay? So we click on import. All right, I go to downloads, and that's a voiceover MP4. See the MP4? This one here, MP4. Let's click on it. Okay, so that's the video we created, right? So we can then choose how we want to render this thing, right? What ratio. But before we do that, we're going to add it. You can drag and drop it like this, or you can click the add button there, okay? You can just move it like that. But I think, yeah. So as you can see, it's in a square format, right? Now you can decide for um, which social media platform you want to create the video for. I'm going to create a reel with this, okay? A reel. All right, so what I'll do is, you see where it says ratio? So I click on ratio. And for reel or for TikTok video, it's 9:16, right? So I click on that. Now you see what happens when I did that? Uh, it was reduced to this size, okay? Now, there are a couple of things you can do with that, okay? And you can decide. Now, I'm going to keep this very simple, guys. This is not an editing video. I'm just showing you what you can do, okay? Keeping it really simple. I mean, for the scope of the course, this is how simple we can keep it, right? So what you can do is you can drag, you see this arrow here, you can drag that out, you see, and it covers the whole thing, okay? You can also make it a little smaller if you want. You can make it smaller, okay? If you want, okay? And yeah, and you can then move this up like that, and then maybe put the captions here, and I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? So it's very simple. You just now if you're like, oh Keith, I don't know what I did, you can always undo it. You see this part here, there, you just undo, okay? Undo. You can always delete the thing and just start over. You can just delete it here, right? So if I click on this and I delete it, it's gone, right? So I can add it again. So I just add it again. All right. Now again, the ratio is 9:16. It's there. I showed you how to get the ratio, okay? This is for Reels and TikTok videos. Now I'm just gonna stretch this out because of how I want it to look, okay? So I'm gonna move it a bit up, like, all right, so now I'm gonna show you how to add captions to the video, okay? So we can add like this area over here. Very simple. You just hover over here where it says text, you click on that, then you click on auto captions, click on that, create. All right, so we have that, right? So once we've done that, I just want to play it quickly to show you.
Introducing the future of email services. Tired of mundane emails? Experience the next level of
There the
communication with our...
captions, right? Are we going to edit that a little bit, okay? We'll maybe make it a little nicer. So you see, this is the part we edit the captions. You can adjust the size. We'll come back to that part. But what I want to first do is choose a different type of font, if you can call it that. So I like the yellow color. I'm going to click on that. Again, guys, one more time, I just need to reiterate this. I would recommend you go to Udemy, see if they have free courses on how to use CapCut. Okay, so you can improve your skills with video editing. Udemy offers free courses, right? You can also try YouTube. I'm showing you like the bare bones here, the basics, okay? All right? Okay, so we chose that one, right? I just want to show you what it looks like right now. So
Introducing the future of email services.
see that? There it is, right? So maybe I want to make the size a bit bigger, right? So maybe we can increase it slightly, not too much, as you can see there. And maybe I want to bring this a little lower like that. All right, now if you press play,
Tired of mundane emails? Experience the next level.
I can also maybe, what we can do is make it bold, okay? Make it bolder. See, it's a little different, okay? So there you go. Now you have captions, right? And you can then add this to, you can use this as a reel, okay? You can use it as an explainer video. And maybe you can also give this a title. It's not showing in the video, but make sure you give it a title, like maybe call it, what am I going to call this? Free email service provider AI, just so that I know how to do it, okay? So once we've done with that and you're happy with it, you can edit it, play around with it, make sure that the whole thing looks good. All right, guys, I'm going a little fast. Then what I'll do is I'll just see where it says export. You click on that. Click this button here where it says export. You click on it.
Introducing the future of email services. Tired of mundane emails? Experience the next level of communication with our free AI-powered email service provider.
There you go, guys. And all we do now is open in a new folder and then you download it, right? Let me do that quickly to show you what it looks like. All right, there's the video. And as you can see, guys, I've created quite a few of these AI generated videos, quite a few, right? So what I'm teaching you, I know what I'm talking about. I've made a lot of them. Okay. I'm just showing you. I'll see you in the next video. In the next video, yeah, I'll see you in the next video. All right, we're coming well along, guys. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Heijin to create explainer videos. The same with DID AI, right? So there's our description. We saw it in a previous video, okay? Basically the script we're going to use, there's it, okay? So we're going to copy this again. Everything copy it. And then we're going to go to, again, I told you how to create an account, right? So all you do is to create a free account. I showed you, right? So you just click on the free trial, free account, wherever that button is, follow the steps. And once you've done that, you will land on the dashboard. It should look like this, unless they've changed it, because they obviously change these things all the time, right? And once you've done that, the next thing that you do then is you go to template. See template? I mean, you can scroll down and look at this, okay? Scroll down and look at it if you want to see everything. I'm gonna make this very simple, guys. Oh, there they show you as well, template. We just click on template. Remember, they only give you one free credit to test it out, okay? And then there's a different templates, okay? So if you want to do vertical, choose a template, all right, and you can just play around with it. Now I want to keep it very simple, guys. All right, you can play around with it. You can create your own account. That's pretty amazing. I'm just going to go to avatar. Okay, so you have your different avatars that you can use. Okay, talking avatars. And these are your actors. You can choose the one that you want. All right. Choose a female voice this time. Okay, you can choose. They have so many. You could just play with that. Okay, you can go through it and see which one you'd like, right? And they have so many. Okay, different demographics, different ethnicities. Okay, and you can see which one you like. All right. So I'm gonna go with Daisy T-shirt. All right, I'm gonna click on that. That's her. So I'm going to portrait. I want portrait. Okay, not landscape, portrait. I'm gonna click on that. All right, you see this part over here, right? That's where we add the text. So I'm gonna delete this. Okay, I'm gonna paste the text that I created, but not I created, but rather ChatGPT created. Okay. Okay, and with this one, you don't have to add the voiceover. You don't have to add the voiceover, right? So with this one, they will create the voiceover for you. And here's it, right? So it's Jenny Professional, okay? So the avatar comes with the voiceover, so you don't have to create a voiceover, right? Again, guys, this is just the basics. You can play around with this however you want. I will not, you can increase the speed. I'm not going to do that. You can play around with the pitch. That's up to you. If you want to do that. So for me, I just add the text. Once that's done, okay, you can test it, play, see what it sounds.
Introducing the future of email services. Tired of mundane emails? Experience the next level of communication with our free AI-powered email service provider. Imagine
Okay, sounds cool, right? So that's what the audio sounds like. So once I click submit, it's going to create the animation. All right. So I can slow this down if I want to. I'm not going to slow it down. The pitch also, I'm not going to play around. I will stick with the default settings. Okay. I'm going to click on that. Confirm. Make sure that you're happy with it because remember you get 1 free credit. All right. Producing this video consume your credits. Okay. You can read through that as well. Click submit. It's rendering the video. All right, so it's downloading. So what we do is we just then download it. Voila, and it's that simple, guys. We can just play it quickly so you can see what it looks like. All right, we'll just play it quickly.
Introducing the future of email services. Tired of
How
mundane emails?
amazing is
X provider. Imagine sending voice-to-text emails effortlessly.
pretty amazing, right? See, it's animated now. That still image was animated because of the AI software, and it has its own voiceover as well, right? Amazing, guys. I'm gonna download this. I'll edit again with CapCut in the next video, and I'll see you in thing. You see here, it says 0 credits, right? They give you 1 free credit. That's creating a video with Hagen, right? And that video needs to be 60 seconds or less. I forgot to tell you that. It needs to be 60 seconds or less in order for you to get the free credit, okay? After that, you need to start paying. So we downloaded it. So now we're going to edit it with CapCut, all right? And I showed you how to get you in the previous video. So we click on import, downloads, and this is the video here, this one here. I didn't name it. No, that's the wrong video. I downloaded the wrong one. But quick thing, I mean, while we I just click on import, right? And it should be then, I think it's this video here, untitled, this one. Okay, yeah, this is the video. This is the one we want. Delete just to avoid confusion. All right, so remember I showed you just click on the plus to add it, or you can drag and drop it. So the ratio is already with but remember I told you with the ratio, right? You choose this one, but it's already in that portrait form. Okay, vertical, so I'm not going to do that. All right, so there's very little editing I'm going to do here. What I do want to do is just add captions, right? As I showed you before, captions. So I click on text, and I just want to say this one more time, guys. For full training on this, go to YouTube, how to use CapCut, or see if Udemy has any free videos, courses on how to use CapCut, okay? All right, I just needed to say that. I'm just showing you the basics if you want to create a post. Very easy, okay? Or next. So we go to text, auto captions, okay? Create. All right, so there's our captions, right? So then what we can do is we can, if we want to edit the captions, I showed you how to do that. You can maybe choose a font style here. Maybe let's do the red here or yellow, or however you want to do it. Now let's see what that looks like.
Introducing the future of email services. Tired of mundane emails?
I don't really like that. I'm gonna try this one.
Experience the next level of communication.
I don't like that either. I'll click on this. I'll go to the yellow again. All right, that's much better for me. I like it. All right, again, I showed you can increase the size if you want to a little bit. Be careful with the size so it's not too much. Make it bold. All right, it's really up to you. Okay, we can also make that another color. I like yellow. We can make it white. Okay, there's a black one. Okay, and voila, it's finished, right? And then after that, all you have to do is just don't forget to name it, whatever you want to name it, and then you click export. And the same as before, right? You click export again, and once you're done with that, you just open it up in a folder, copy and paste it. I showed you how to do that, okay? And that's it, guys. It's that simple. Go and do that. All right, so in this bonus section, I'm going to show you how to take this video was created with DID, as you can see the background, right? How to remove this background that was generated by DID and then add your own background, okay? As you can see, there's a background. I'm going to show you how to do that. For example, please don't stress. I'm just going to show you, as you can see, how to create this kind of video, right? So in this video, I'm not going to show you, but upcoming videos, I will show you how to do that. I just want to show you how to do that. And for that, we're going to use a tool called CapCut. And I already showed you how to get CapCut, right? You just do a Google search and you just click on it. And I already showed you how to do this. And then you download it onto your PC. You can also do it with your phone, right, guys? You can also edit the thing with your phone, but I find, depending which you prefer, the phone, I prefer using the computer when editing, okay? So you click on that and you download, follow the instructions, sign up free. They give you the options, edit online, download for Windows. It's really up to you, okay? So in upcoming videos, I will show you how to create background image. All right, so in the previous video, I showed you how to create a background for the video we're going to create, okay? Well, we already created the video, but just how to add a professional background, okay? All right, so first thing I want to do is want to get that background. So I'll go to, I think it's here. Hey, that's the video, so click on that. Oh, well, we don't want that one just yet. In fact, I'll get that video right now. I'll show you how to do it step by step, okay? So we'll go back to this one. Okay, so there's the background image, right? So I'm going to click on that. Open. All right, so I'm going to add this image. We click the plus, or you just drag and drop, okay? However you choose to do it. So I'm going to change the ratio because I want it to be a reel or TikTok video, right? I showed you how to do this in previous videos. So 9:16. So then I'll go back to import, you see over there, click on it. And I'm gonna find that video that I showed you in another video, right? Where is it? It's this video over here, okay? So remember, I showed you how to create videos in with DID, right? Well, as you can see, there's the background, right? So this video we're gonna put on top of that one, on top of that one. So that now they're showing you how it looks. Okay, so how do you do that? So we just drag it and we literally put it over that one, on top of that one. Okay, so now you can see this video is on top of that one. You see this one, the background over here, we want to adjust it so that it's in line with that one. Okay. All right, now as you can see, this thing has a background, right? It has a background. We want to remove that background. So how do you do that? So once you click on this video, you click over there. If you look over here, right? Not over here. Beneath that, you see here where it says cut out, cut out. You click on cut out. You scroll down, auto cutout. You click on that. And now it will automatically start removing the background. Amazing. All right, so it's cut out. You see that? The background has been removed successfully. Now, if you notice the background, the background of this video that it originally came with is gone, right? But we have a problem. As you can see the blue background? It's not covering the whole, how should I say, canvas, if I can call it that. So to fix that, what you do is, you see where my cursor is? I go to one of these things and I stretch it out, okay, until it covers everything. See, now it covers everything. So like to edit this part, you can either click on it or click here. All right. So now I move this down so that it looks better. So you can make it, you can leave it like that. Okay. Play around with it. You can also stretch this one out to make it bigger, right? Okay. Maybe make it a little smaller. And now you have a blue background, okay? Awesome. Now let's play to see what it looks like.
Are you a Christian seeking to discover your true purpose in life? A Christian life coach can be your guiding light on this spiritual journey. With a deep understanding of your faith, values, and beliefs,
So how awesome is that, right? So then you see this part here is a bit not as long as, so what you can do is you can move this cursor, see, and this thing can help you then align it. You see there? We just play around with it until we see the guy, basically. There, okay? Now that's it. That's how you add a background to this image, okay? Very simple. Now I showed you in previous video how to add if you want, let me show you how to add the captions again. So you click on text, just move this back. You click on text, okay? Auto captions, and it will automatically show you how to add. All right, so the captions have been added, right? So to add the captions, what you need to do is, see, it's already on the captions, okay? There's a font size for the captions. I showed you how to do this in a previous video. You can make the captions bigger. Let me just show you. So I can just move around with this thing. Okay, there are the captions. So you can make it bigger, leave it that size. You see there's a size, and you can also, if you scroll down, you play around with it however you want it to look and the options that they give you, right? You can make it black, you can make it white, all right? And you can maybe add, you can do it like this or yellow, however you want to do it. It's up to you. You can move it a little down, okay? You can play around with however you want to. Okay? Make it a little bigger, okay? Or maybe you don't want that thing. You can choose one of these, the yellow, however you want it, okay? You play around with it until you're satisfied with the way that it looks, okay? And there you go. There you have your captions, there you have your video. I've taught you how to add a background, okay? Now in the next video, I can show you how to add like images that can go with this, okay, with the video, right? Which requires a little bit more work, okay? All right, now by the way, you can change this thing, not just for a reel, you can also change the ratio, okay? And you can turn it into a long form video. You see that? Again, so for that, you'll just have to play around with this. But that, now it's a long form video, right? So you can make this guy smaller if you click on him. Okay, so you can make him a bit small. You can leave him like that. You can bring him up. Okay. If you click on this, all right, I see. But see now his head is out, right? So if you want to, you can make him smaller. It's up to you. Let's say you want to make him smaller so his body fits in like that. Now you have a long form video, okay? So if you want to go back to you can also make it a square if you want to. See, there's a square. It's really up to you what kind of video you want, okay? If you want to make, there's it a square. If you want to make it a reel again, you just go back, you play around with it. Make sure to move him around, and there it's a reel again, okay? Okay, you can make him a little bigger if you want, okay? All right, you can even, what you can do, and I don't want to confuse you, you can maybe like lift this guy up and put something at the bottom here if you want to, or you can leave him like that. It's up to you. You can decide how you want it to look, okay? In fact, you can even add another video within this thing. But guys, this video, again, like I said, there are free courses that you maybe try Udemy to help you even do more than this. I'm just showing you the basics, guys. So that's how you can add a background to the video or agent, okay? So we're in Canva. So what you do is you see here on top, there are different options. I'm assuming you know how to use Canva. There they offer the video option. Click on that. All right, so you can create a. I'm gonna show you how you can create a like a blank, not a blank, but background with no words, right? And to do that, you can scroll down. Okay, you see there where it says background. So they have options over here. I like to go with the like background that are plain, no images on them. Like this one. This is the one I've used before. You can choose any one of these. I like this one over here, as you can see recently used, but you can choose one of these. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, so that's a nice background. Okay, so we can use this. So I'm just going to title this background. So I'm going to download that because I might use it. Oh, no, but before we download it, we have to adjust it to the length of the video, right? And my short videos are usually about 40 seconds. So I'll make it about 50 seconds. Let's say a minute, 60 seconds, okay? I can always adjust it later. So I'm going to download that. All right, so it's downloaded, right? Now, but you can also add text to this, okay? So perhaps if I want to add some text, that's up to you. But I think what I'll do is I'll rather leave it blank just to show you how to do it, not to complicate things. But if you want to add text, you know how to use Canva, you can just maybe add text to this depending on what you want to do, right? So that's like a plain background, okay? So we've already downloaded it. Okay, so then the next thing we do is, okay, so I'll see you in the next video. So for the next video, I will then show you how to now to use this background for our avatar, right? How to use the background. Okay, so we have this background. In this video, we're going to use the same video as before. I'm going to show you how to add another background to this video using videos from royalty-free clips, right? And I'm going to show you where you can get awesome clips from a nice website. There's more than one, Splash, Pixabay. I use both of them. And we're going to add that. We're going to use it as a background for this video, okay? We'll come to this now. All right, so where do you get these royalty-free videos? One of the sites that I use, which is really amazing, is Pixabay, okay? Now, so all you have to do is search for Pixabay. And once you come onto their landing page, right, you see here they give you options. You see all images, right? So you click on that. See, it's photos, illustrations, vectors, videos. I'm not even sure what a vector is, okay? Videos. So we're going to use videos as a background. You can do the same thing for images as well. I just want to show you how to do it with videos, okay? See there where it says videos. Click on that. So now we have videos. We're searching for videos. Let's just say that you are a life coach and you're doing some life coach, Christian life coach, and you're looking for something that's got to do with motivation. So let's just see. So we type in motivation or motivational, right? Let's see, motivational story. Oh, interesting. Let's click on that. All right, now what you'll notice here, they give you like a couple of options. There's sponsored images. Those are the ones that you pay for, okay? We don't want that. Unless you have the money, you can purchase it, okay? We want royalty free. So what you can do is you can just go through this, okay? And see which one you like. All right? These are all videos, motivational videos, right? You can like if you just hover over it, it will show you what the video is about. Oh, this is images. Okay, guys, that's why it's still like that. What we want is we want it to be on videos, okay? So if you don't find the videos part, just go back there and search for videos, okay? All right, so again, oh, they couldn't find anything, okay? So maybe we can maybe do something like we can search again. Let's just search motivation. Let's see if something comes up. All right, so there's quite a few for motivation, right? And it's videos, as you can see. And then we'll scroll, and there's the sponsored ones. You pay for these, okay? And then you can just see which one you like. Okay, what's this one about? I just like the way the words appear. Let's see, what does that say? Create your future. I like that. That's nice. That could be a nice ending video, okay? Let's say we're gonna take this one. You can play around with it and see which ones you like, okay? Which of these videos you like. You can just hover over to see what's happening. So you click the video. All right. Then you go to the right side here where it says download. You click on that button. You can choose the ratio that you want. I'm just going to choose the one they recommend and click download. All right, so you can go donate if you want to. You don't have to, but it's for free, right? It's royalty free. These are free videos, and the video has been uploaded. Okay, great. So that's how you can get videos for. You just type in whatever type of background you want for your video. Okay, in that part. All right. So once that's done, I've already downloaded a few videos. Okay, see, I'm going to use these videos over there. Okay, so now I go to CapCut. All right. So this is the video we're going to edit. I'm going to click on import. All right, and it's on downloads, I think. Look at downloads. Um, okay, then open. All right, so I'm going to add these first before I add that, okay? So based on again, you add the videos based on, they have to align with the script of the video, okay? Just bear that in mind, okay? So I'm gonna go very fast. So you just have to play around with these videos and put them in the order of which your the script of the video, okay? So I'll go with this one first. Okay. Okay. Oh, I see they added all the videos and I didn't want them to add all the videos. Okay, so I can always undo it, right? There's an undo. You see undo. So I'm gonna undo it. Okay. So I'll do one at a time. I think it added all of them again. Okay, there's it, right? So I wanted the cross first, and then after the cross, maybe this one on finding your purpose. Okay, and after finding your purpose, maybe coaching, and after that, the person's happy, and maybe this one, right? So you see the bottom part, okay? So obviously the video is not going to be that long, right? So what I'll do is I'll then play around with it. See, it's already 2 minutes. This thing's going to be about 40 seconds, my video. So I'll maybe play around with this one. Maybe make it about, I want it to be 17, maybe like 5 seconds, like really short. Okay. And this one, let's see. That's a kind of shortish, leave it like that. So I'm not going to do it perfectly. I'm just showing you guys how you can do it. Okay. See, it's 1 minute, 4 seconds. This one, Maybe I'll talk a bit long about that. I'll maybe make it about 10 seconds. Okay, this one, I'll maybe make it about 10 seconds as well. I'm gonna see, two, three. I don't want it to be too long. Okay, okay, and this one. Oh, you see, it's about 40 seconds, right? I'll maybe just make this one a little longer. Oh, it doesn't go a little longer. I want it to be a little longer. Maybe 45. All right. And then, so this is the background image. So this one I then put over this. So I want to make a long form video, guys, just to show you what it looks like. You can turn it into a reel as well if you want to. So just to show you what it looks like. So I showed you how to remove the background, right? Same process. I go here to cut out, and I scroll down, auto cut out. Make sure not to click here when for the auto cut out, otherwise we'll remove the background of these. Only this. And it's done, right? You see, it's done. All right. So quickly, something that I want to do is just change the ratio here. I want this to be a long form video. Okay. So I've done that and it's done. The background's removed. Okay. So as you can see, the video is longer than the background here, right? So I need to make this a bit longer. So what I can do is maybe stretch out some of these. Now, obviously, you're going to play around with this a bit more because you want it to align with the script. Okay. I'm not going to do that. I'm just showing you what your options are. You will play around with this a bit more just so that you can get I just wanted to align. Okay, okay, that's that. So then what I'll do with this, I'll click on this. I'll just play around with it so it will center. Okay, like that. Maybe it's a bit centered, I think. Okay, there it's centered, right? And if we play it, obviously I'm not going to play the whole thing. You'll just see then it'll play in the
Are you a
background.
Christian seeking to discover your true purpose in life?
You see the
A
video's
Christian
moving.
life coach can be your guiding light on this spiritual
Okay,
journey. With a deep understanding of your faith, values, and beliefs,
awesome. Did you see the switch that it made there? So that's what you can do, right, guys? And you can just play around with this guy to make sure that he then, okay, how it looks. Again, guys, this is basic stuff. If you want more in-depth, higher level stuff, you can maybe get a free course on Udemy or purchase a course on how to do editing with CapCut or other editing software. I just wanted to get you guys going to show you what you can do. And again, you can play around with the ratio here. You can turn this into, for example, I can turn this into a reel, you see. But now to edit each one, I will then have to play around with the background, okay? And if you made a mistake, you can just go click here on undo, and it goes back to the previous one. And guys, that's basically how you do it. It's that simple. I showed you how to add the auto captions, right? All right, so there's our captions. They have been added. You can play around with it. You can make it a bit bigger if you want. Okay, smaller. It's up to you. You can change the font type. You can change the style. It's really up to you what you want to do, okay? And I showed you how to do it in previous videos as well. I'm not going to spend too much time with it, okay? And that's it. And that's what it
they'll
looks
help
like.
you align your life with God's plan.
Okay, so you can edit it. I just want to show you what your options are. That's it. And one more thing, you can also add a cover, like if you want a cover image for a reel, you can also do that with this. You click on this. Then to choose the one that you want. This is like a thumbnail, okay? You can then maybe do that. So you can choose from all the videos here, the one that you want. So I'll maybe from the beginning, right? Without the thing. That's it. Now my thumbnail. Then I click on edit. And that's it, right? You can also choose from these if you want to add like a thumbnail for your video, right? But you have to be careful. So if you want to put this on YouTube, maybe you don't want to do that. But there's a thumbnail. You can maybe choose one of these. Like- oh, sorry. You click up here. See up here, that part? That's where you edit it, right? And maybe you can just call it the section here. Maybe I say life coaching. Okay? And you just play around with it, you move it around. And once you're happy, you just click on complete and voila. And obviously you export the video over there, right? And I showed you how to do that. So you just click on export, all right? And that's it. And that's it, guys. Now you know how to do it, and you click again on export and it will start downloading the video for you. That's how you do it, guys. Hope you learned something. See you in the upcoming, well, enjoy the course.